spray me. I need a bath. Dang. Alright, so welcome back to another video, guys. As you can see, there's a ton of Subarus surrounding me, and my Audi's not here. So we are in Southern California. We're going to Subiefest. It's the day before, but right now we're going to go out and take some photos with all these cars. We've got STI, WX, another STI, and this one's freaking loud. I like this one. It sounds so good. Well, we have a bunch of Subarus. I'm gonna lose my microphone, I think. You see, a bunch of Subarus behind us. We're on Angel's Crest Highway. We're heading up to try to find a good pull out. There's Turbo. To take some photos of all these cars. But it should be pretty cool scenery up there.
We're gonna find a banger spot.
The snake. Woo! There's a bunch of freaking cars behind us. Oh my gosh, we are here.
Holy shit.
My god.
There's the sign.
There it is! Okay, so basically this highway is a dream of mine to be to like ride on, drive on, whatever.
Fucking live.
It's amazing.
Look at that. There's the angels.
There. Oh, that's not a bad turnout to take photos right there. Dang, look at all these Subarus.
Look at all these really.
Look at all those chickens. We made it to photo shoot spot number 1. Great backdrop in the city over there. Look at that. And a Datsun. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good.
We finally made it.
I feel pretty good.
Send it. Yeah, there we go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Audi gang. Oh wait, that's... That was way better. Oh! That was perfect timing too.
Shit. That was fucking huge.
That was crazy.
Yeah, I did like 100,000 miles.
Yeah, that was sick. I got a barbecue out here.
Hey, and that's a grandpa.
Oh!
Blew something up.
He blew something up.
That was too much.
He might have blew up.
No fucks.
Oh, fuck, right as shit.
Damn.
Oh!
Go, go, go!
That's how he drives.
Okay, we're all deaf now. I think I lost my eyebrows. So basically that's gonna be it for today. This house is insane. It's got a speaker system, the entire place, super cool. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I will start you guys off in the morning after we get some breakfast and we're rolling out towards Subiefest. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks.